Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you what I made with these lobster crab. Oh my God, I can't say the word. Lobster clasps. Oh my God. Why is it that some words are so hard for me to say? But anyway, these things from BEEBEECRAFT. And I had to make these fluffy tassel things again. So hold on. Okay, so, oh my God, I have fluffies everywhere. All right, so these are the ones, and I love these because actually to make these are so easy. All you have to do is do as much yarn as you want and just flip it through here and then connect it. That is it. So freaking easy. So this is the first one, and I think it's so super cute. If you still want like a very detailed tutorial, Amy L Crafts, she has one with the beads on top, but this one here is using these little things right here, which is so easy. Like again, all you have to do is take your yarn and just flip it over and then tie it. So easy. Like it can't get any easier than that. But with this one, I added the beads also from BEEBEECRAFT and these Rondelle things. Aren't they so cute and shiny? And oh my God, it's so freaking fluffy. I think they're so cute. Look at this. Love, love, love. And then I made this one. Again, super easy. But this one I just added the bow and I didn't add any of the beads. But look, just to show you that you don't have to add the beads, and look how pretty. Just picture this on your projects. That's why these, love these. Love that it comes with the pearl. So that's basically your decoration right there. You don't have to do much. But aren't these cute? Oh my God, so fluffy. Love, love these. Love this one because of the beads and the sparkle. But yeah, I just want to come in here real quick to show you what I did with these lobster claps. Claps? Claps. You know what I mean. All right, guys, look how cute. I love these. Oh my God. So freaking cute. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.